Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to remote play with Chiaki app in Steam Deck. Okay, so this is my app, I have developed it. This is my own app. Okay, you can use this app to get the PSN Account ID finder, okay, in order to remote play in Steam Deck. So it's cool. So you need to turn on your PS5 console first and then install this app. Okay, then open it and keep it ready. Fine. Here I need to open the Chiaki app. Open it. Yeah, cool. So here first I will go by step by step. So my PS5 is turned on. Okay, so I'm going to tap it, and here, right, I need to provide the PSN account ID. Okay. That is what this app is going to do it. Okay, so this is the official app. You can directly download from Play Store if you're using Android mobile. So tap open PSN login. You need to provide the user ID and password of the same user which you logged in on your PS5 console. Provide email ID, then password. So password provided, and then sign in. You can use this app for login in your PC or even Android mobile, or in jailbreak console also you can do it. So I need to verify this. Okay, two-factor authentication is enabled, so I need to provide the OTP and then tap verify. Wow, so redirect URL already automatically it will be captured, and then we need to tap this process and get PSN account ID. Okay, so once you tap right process and get PSN account ID, your account ID will be fetched. You can copy by just tapping single tap. Now we need to type this. PSN account ID here. So basically, right, I have connected the keyboard, so I'm going to type it. It will be very easy if you are using dock for Steam Deck. Okay, T caps F D C small j g equal to. So this is my base 64 PSN account ID. Okay, so now what I need to do is I need to provide the remote play pin, okay, which will be displayed on my PS5 console. I'll show how to get it. On your console, go to System, Remote Play. We need to enable the remote play first. So already this is my name. Okay, I have enabled it, and then pair the device. So 27378825. So this is the number I need to type it here. 27378825. Okay, and console pin is optional, and choose your console. If you are using PS4, check the version and then connect it. So now I tapped PS5. Okay, so this is the one, right? Okay, so this is the one. So now we need to tap register. Register starting search. Wow, it's successfully connected, friends. I mean, registered, successfully received response. So I'm going to close it. It's successfully updated. Now I'm going to tap it. Now you should see your PlayStation console here. Wow, this app is really useful. Just download it. It's 1.5 MB only. You can download it whenever you want, right? You can create the pin here. So now I will keep this, and you can play. You can use this keyboard. So now I'm going to play. Yes, tap it. That's it, friends. Hope this video is definitely helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please provide comments and feedbacks, media forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care, friends.